Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have been thinking about getting into cybersecurity, compliance or AI governance, this might be the best free opportunity you see all year. Right now you can enroll into full lead auditor certification courses for free. First is ISO IEC 27001 2022. It is for information security management system, and another is ISO 42001 2023, and it is for AI governance. And this too, you have to complete the chapters and the lessons. If you see, for the AI, it has 40 lessons with 9 chapters, and it has 8 chapters with 35 lessons, and this all are free. If you click on enroll, you will see that this is completely free of cost. You do not have to pay anything for the ISO 27001 2022 lead auditor, and same for the ISO 42001 2023 lead auditor. These two are free. What you need to do, you need to enter your email, first name and the last name, and click on sign up, and done. You are into the course. You have to pass the examination at the end. If you see, these are the courses you will have, and at the end you will have a final examination. You have to complete the examination. If you pass the examination, you will be awarded with the certificate. Additionally, same here, if you scroll down, you will have also the examination. You have to complete the examination and you will be awarded with a certification. And this certification is very valuable, and I hope this will definitely help you upskilling on your career. That's it for today's video. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button. If you yet have any questions, please comment down on the comment box. If you yet not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I generally come up with free certification offers, free courses alerts, and free educational resources. That's it for today's video. See you on the next video. Thank you so much.